Enabling call announcements on your iPhone 16 helps you identify callers without looking at your screen, which is particularly useful while driving or using headphones. Here's how to configure this setting. To begin, go to the home screen and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. Find phone from the list of apps and then tap on it to proceed. Once you're in the phone app settings, find and tap on announce calls. Here, you can choose any of the given options, namely, always to prompt the iPhone to announce all incoming calls, headphones and car to announce only when using headphones or car audio, headphones only to announce only when using headphones, or never to turn off call announcements. Selecting any from the first three options enables the feature. When enabled, your iPhone will speak the caller's name for incoming calls according to your selected preference. To disable the feature, repeat the same steps to return to the Announce Calls menu and then select Never from the given options. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more smartphone tips and tutorial videos like this.